Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about that one drawer that is in just about every house in America. It's called different things. Most people I know call it the Knick Knack Drawer or the junk drawer. And this is the drawer where you toss all the stuff that you don't have a specific place for, either in the garage, in the shop, in the cupboards, whatever. You were talking about like scissors, small screwdrivers, eyeglass repair kits, the little thing of 3-in-1 oil, Scotch tape, whatever it is. Usually there's a lot of stuff in the Knick Knack or junk drawer. And the thing is about it is sometimes you don't realize or you forget what's in there. And other times you think, oh, we got a bunch of that in there. You go there and you're out of it. One of the things that you can try doing is just taking a little notepad and write down everything that's in there. That way you know immediately what you have. But you might also realize, well, crap, we're out of this. We need to get some more of this. Hey, you just solved the problem. You can go out and buy some on your next trip to the store, and you won't be short when you need it next time. Or you might find out, hey, I forgot we even had this. All right, cool. I need to write that down so I remember we have it and where it's at. So that's just a little short, simple one about the Knick Knack drawer or the junk drawer to get it a little bit organized so you can actually find what you have in there. All right. Okay, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most important, keep on prepping. All right. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.